So check this out. Amanda Cerny posted this video on her Facebook page where she has over 7 million followers, and this video was licensed by Junkin Media. And as you can see, this video received 23,000 likes on her Facebook page. But just 24 hours later, the same video was posted on Amber Rose Facebook page, which has over 2 million followers, again licensed by Junkin Media, and as you can see, this video received 2.7 thousand likes. So why are these influencers using the same exact videos? Hey guys, my name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So if you follow any big influencer on Facebook, you probably noticed that they're sharing a bunch of random videos on their Facebook page. That is because they're making thousands of dollars per month by sharing licensed videos on their Facebook pages without having to worry about creating content, because basically all they're doing is just sharing videos that other people made. And so in this video, I'm going to show you why they're making so much money on Facebook and how they're making so much money and how you can do the exact same thing even if you don't have millions of followers on Facebook and even if you don't know anything about Facebook monetization at all. So first, let me show you just two examples of two influencers who are making probably a few $1,000s per month by doing this exact same thing. Alright, so let's take a look at two influencers who are probably making over $10,000 per month by sharing videos on their Facebook page. The first one is Amanda Cerny. Now on her official Facebook page, she has about 7.9 million likes. So if we take a look at her video page, you can see that there's a bunch of videos being posted on a daily basis. This video was posted 18 hours ago, 17 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 19 hours ago. So they're posting multiple videos per day, and each of those videos are getting millions of views every single day. If we actually keep scrolling down, you can see that this video was actually posted also on another influencers, and they're using the same exact source. Now another thing that you have to keep in mind is that each of those videos are over 3 minutes. So that's a clue basically that they're monetizing those videos on the Facebook page. If we keep scrolling down, you can find videos that are getting millions of views every single week, like this one for example, with 28.6 million views just posted about a week ago. Now let's take a look at Amber Rose, which is another influencer with about 2.9 million likes on her Facebook page. So if we go to her video section, you can see the exact same thing. Videos over 3 minutes long, and basically they're getting thousands of views. Not as many as our previous influencer, but that's still significant, especially if you're posting multiple videos per day. So these two influencers could be getting millions of views every single month by posting licensed videos. And best of all, each of those videos are monetized with something called Facebook in-stream ads. So let me explain exactly how this process works. So as you can see, they're getting millions of views every single month on their Facebook pages, and that actually translates into thousands of dollars in ad revenue for their Facebook page. And these two are not the only ones actually making a killing on Facebook using Facebook monetization and video in-stream ads. Celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Mike Tyson are actually making thousands of dollars per month doing the exact same thing. In fact, I created videos about how they were making so much money on Facebook, so if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to put a link in the description below. But in a nutshell, what these influencers are doing is basically hiring companies like Junkin Media and licensing those videos that they're making to post on their own Facebook pages. Now because they have such a huge following, they're basically monetizing those videos with Facebook video in-stream ads. Now, if you don't know what Facebook video in-stream ads are, it's basically the same thing as YouTube monetization, where you're able to place ads on your Facebook videos. So basically Facebook video in-stream ads allow advertisers to place ads before, during, and after video content. So the more views you get on a monthly basis from all your monetized videos, the more money you're gonna make at the end of the month. For every 1,000 impressions that your ads get on those videos, you're gonna make a small fee. But when you're able to get millions of views every single month, that small fee for every 1,000 impressions can translate into thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. And the best part is that they're not doing any work whatsoever, because all they're doing is just sharing those videos on their Facebook page. Now you might be thinking, well, that's great, they're making a lot of money, but what about me? How can I make money on Facebook doing the exact same thing? The good news is that you don't need to be an influencer, you don't need to be a celebrity in order to make money from Facebook video instruments. All you have to do is get a page to 10,000 followers and then apply for monetization, and you'll be able to monetize your videos the same exact way. In fact, if you want to learn in detail how you can make money with Facebook video monetization, what I want you to do is go and click on this video, which is going to show you exactly step by step all the requirements that you need to know about Facebook monetization, how you can reach those requirements, and then how you can apply for Facebook video monetization. You might not be able to reach thousands of dollars per month right away like these influencers, but you might be able to get up to $50 to $100 per day or more once you're able to build a following with your Facebook page. It's not impossible to do. I actually have students who have built Facebook pages to over 1 million followers by doing the exact same things that I've been teaching. Now, if you're looking to learn in detail how to build, grow, and monetize Facebook pages, what I want you to do is click the link below, because it's gonna take you to my Facebook Income School course where I teach you exactly how to grow Facebook pages to over 10,000 followers in the first 90 days. It has over 40 videos that can teach you step by step how to grow these pages, how to monetize and find the content for these pages. So if you want to learn more information about that, all you have to do is just click the link in the description below. So guys, you don't need to be an influencer. You don't need to have a page with 1 million followers if you want to make money on Facebook. But as you can see, these influencers are taking full advantage of the Facebook video instruments, mainly because it's a lot easier for them to just get the content and license that content from someone else instead of having to create the videos themselves and do all the work that requires to make a video and post it on their Facebook page. So by licensing videos to places like Junkin Media, they're able to just post video after video every single day. They're posting 3-5 videos per day, and that is resulting in thousands of dollars being made every single month. So now you know why your favorite influencer is basically posting a bunch of random videos on their Facebook feed, and that is mainly because they're making a lot of money from you actually watching those videos. So with that said, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.